This is making money, and I'm telling you, I can't wait to tell you about my take. It's not necessarily about the market, right? It's about attitudes. It's about messaging. It's about people who just listen. Whenever the market goes on a really nice run, it actually leaves a lot of the experts flat-footed, right? So you get this multi-part narrative that's always created. Number one, this is driven by retail investors, of course, the dumb money. Or it's driven by cheap accommodation, like the Federal Reserve or government stimulus, or maybe driven by low rates, Wall Street gimmicks, those, it just never, maybe it's just great fundamentals right now. Once that narrative is sort of established, the fear machine starts to really dial it in, right? They put it on max. Here's the irony. Even when there's evidence that it's working, for instance, this big spike here in the VIX or in the extreme fear category right now, fear and greed, the headlines are still screaming about exuberance. Drum roll. Right on time. Here's a good article for you. It explains it. The final media, finally media gloom glommed onto this Jim Paulson piece yesterday. I'm not sure if you saw it. It's a good piece. Jim is good at this kind of stuff. But it was about market tops correlating with excitement, earnings expectations, right? Jim wrote, as shown in chart 2, strong EPS momentum has historically been good for stock prices, quote, 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 until it hasn't. Okay, the fact of the matter is, if you don't trust earnings or earnings guidance, what would you use to invest or stay in the market? We're going to try and get Jim on next week. Adding to the earnings fear, of course, is sustainability anxiety. We've heard this from the very beginning since ChatGPT was launched. How much longer can the AI party go on? And are there already cracks in the armor? Today's anxiety comes from a report that OpenAI may delay its IPO until 2027. Now, here's the interesting thing about this. A New York Times article, they talk about the volatility in SpaceX, which, to be quite frank with you, has followed the established script that we've seen for IPOs. They open, go a little bit higher, and then start to go down. Then they talk about the financial challenges here. That's really odd in my mind, because this actually should create more of an urgency to raise money. Now, what's interesting about the current environment is that all the excitement centers on AI, which will change our lives in ways that we can't imagine, and maybe in ways we pray never happens. It makes for the perfect backdrop for more fear-mongering, of course, though. Besides this OpenAI story, there's the growing inflation narrative. Tim Cook played up on it, right? Whining yesterday about the cost of memory and storage. He's never seen anything like this. But this is the same Tim Cook who didn't even blink, didn't show an ounce of mercy when Micron begged him to pay just a little bit more for chips a few years ago. Micron said, listen, if you pay us more, we'd have capacity. They don't have capacity, and now the shoe's on the other foot. Prices are climbing for electrical component workers, folks. If you're worried about inflation, think about this. People are making money. These are electricians, folks. These are folks that you want to make money. They're benefiting. And by the way, it's just like not only the folks in these data centers who are doing well and getting paid big time money, but check out the spike also on the other end, the jobs and wages for tech workers right here in New York City. Even the socialists won't be able to run them out. I mean, look at this. You talk about the employment growth, technology up 45%, more than anything else, and the income up 40,000. I mean, it's phenomenal, folks. So here's the rub. The AI trade is going full speed ahead. And that means trillions of dollars and lots of investment opportunities. And of course, there will be ups and there will be downs for investors. There's only one question, though, that needs to be answered.